Hello, everybody. This is Greg, and I am very excited to share with you a new strategy, tactic, whatever you want to call it, for using BizPAD for your event planning. So we're getting ready to go to an event. So what I just did, I sat down about 15 minutes ago, and I created this new event called Event. Now I started off with the word event, so when I organize my stuff, I can always look at because I have tons of projects and I want to be able to find them easily and get to them when I want to. So I'm going to name all my events. We'll start with the word event. Then I'll do hyphen, the name of the event, where the event's at, and the dates of the event. Right? And right now I haven't only added just myself as a project owner. I'm going to add other people here in a few minutes. So I said, okay, with every event we should have a goal that we want to accomplish. So then I create a folder called goals. Then underneath that folder, I said our primary goal for this event is to network for investors and raise investment capital for CEN. We will also want to sell kids clubs, BU products, in addition to promoting BizPAD and automated sales machine to those who need these services, etc., etc. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an idea exactly how I laid out my projects and my folders. Then I have to get tickets and to the event and register the team. So I put get tickets for Greg, Ed, Emily, Whitney, Dave, and possibly Deborah and Phil with question marks. I need to find out from them if they want to go. Then I said, okay, we got to get hotel accommodations. And I said, okay, under the hotel accommodations, I misspelled that, so I'm going to change that. We're going to book hotel rooms. And I put the hotel, and I put the phone number for the hotel. And we're going to want one room for Ed and Greg, one for Whitney and Emily, one for David and Noel, one for Deborah and Phil, depending they're going. So I'll put a little question mark there if they're going. And then I said, okay, what are our travel plans? Are we flying? Are we driving? What are we doing? So we're going to drive over from Escondido to Henderson, Nevada in my truck. So the four of us can do that. And then we'll have to add to that for Deborah and Phil or David Noel or whoever else. And so we can help get accommodations for that. I said, okay, what else do we want to do with this event? Well, we have our marketing material that we're going to need to make the event pay for itself. So we're going to need presentation evaluation forms. We're going to need postcard invitations for room meetings. We're going to create BizPAD flyers, postcards, or some type of handout. We're going to create some type of handout for, I don't know, sales machine. I need to get my capital team agreements for people that want to help refer us investors and earn a finder's fee for doing that. We need to get our offering documents and our subscription documents all put together. And I want to bring some of our magazines. Now, again, keep in mind, this is a list that's going to grow as I get the other team members involved. We'll continue to add to this project. And once we get there and we get to the event and we handle the event and do everything event, we'll close all these different tasks, all these different things, and then eventually I'll archive this project and maybe unarchive it if we ever go back to CEO Space again, and it'll all be done for me again. So, and then I started a master checklist. I need my projector, I need my PowerPoint remote control clicker, I need a stand-up projector screen, I need printer, ink, and paper, I need clipboards and pens, tape and Velcro, scissors, ice coolers, water cases, water for each room. So you can see I've put together, here's our event, I created folders, I've created tasks and items under each folder, and now I'm going to go invite my different team members. So I'm going to add the people that I intend on going to meet with this, which will be, oops, I forgot Ed, I passed Ed already. Okay, so we're going to go down here, and then alphabetical order, so we got Ed Bracken, then we're going to have Emily Ream, and then we're going to have David Spoon. Oh, but David is back up here. So David Spoon, and then we're going to have, let's see, Whitney will be at the very end. So Whitney, and then we'll add Deborah and Phil and see if they want to go. And if they do go, we'll leave them in the project. And if they don't go, we'll take them out of the project. So it'll be that simple. So that's how we are using BizPAD to plan our events, assign tasks. Okay, so I took a few minutes and I paused the video, and what I did is I went in and assigned who's going to register the tickets, the date starting and the date due by, And so now I got Ed's going to be booking the hotel rooms. I'm going to be getting the tickets. I've got Phil going, hey, are you guys coming? I added some more travel plans for David, Noel, and Deborah and Phil because I thought of those after the fact. There's only 4 of us to go in my truck. Then I got down here to the marketing material. I'm going to do the presentation evaluations forms. I want those due by the 12th. Postcards for room meetings done by Emily, due by the 6th. Flyers done by the 6th. Automated sales machine flyers done by the 6th. Capital team agreements done by the 12th. PPMs done by the 16th to Ed. 500 magazines by Deborah. You can see I assigned and dated all the stuff that I want done on my team. Now they're all getting notifications that this event is happening and that we're going, and they all can participate. They can all add their own notes, and they can all be held accountable to do what they're supposed to do. So for instance, like with my master checklist, I assigned all of these to Whitney and the dates. And again, it's kind of a little monotonous to some people to put an item for each thing, but I like it. It's real clear. And then if we want to, we could even print this. I can just hit print, and I can print this document so that we can hand it out at our team meeting, and everybody will know exactly what's going on, and we'll have a nice little printed document, and everyone can get back to BizPAD and make it happen. So hey, this is great, fantastic. Use BizPAD for all of your event planning. Create new projects for every event and see how organized and optimized and efficient you can make your events. This is Greg saying thanks and have a great day.